Hi everyone, we got ourselves a fresh to the floor. This one's really neat. 2005 Screaming Eagle V-Rod. We'll start in the front and work our way to the back. We got chrome wheels, chrome front end. It's a CVO, so it's going to have all the chrome, right? Chrome controls. The engine on this one actually is a 1250 Screaming Eagle. Like I said, this is a CVO. The paint job on this thing is awesome. It's got a cool little fuel gauge right there. You got your mile per hour, and then you also have RPM up there. This does have a hydraulic clutch. And, ready for this? It only has 13,806 miles on a 2005. That's crazy. Matching chrome wheel on the back, LED tail light. I mean, they added all the chrome on this thing. Pretty sweet. Come on down and check it out. Vandervest Harley-Davidson. We're at 1966 Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about the bike or would like to schedule an appointment to come and see it, give us a shout at 920 498 8822.